Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to solve a problem with the connection on your JBL Wave Beam earplugs. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. If your earplugs frequently lose connection, you need to disconnect them from all devices with which they are paired. So go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, find JBL Wave Beam, tap here and then on disconnect and forget this device. If this advice didn't help, you can reset the earplugs. You need to make sure that they are on. Then you need to take one earbud and quickly tap 3 times here and hold until the indicator light begins to flash. I will demonstrate you now. You wait till this indicator starts flashing. Great, the indicator is flashing, and now we have to put them back into the case. Also, as you can see, they automatically disconnected from my phone. That means that our reset process is completed. Now we have to take them off case again, and they will go into a pairing mode. So, these indicators are blinking. That means that they are into the pairing mode, and you need to reconnect them with your device again. Go to the Bluetooth settings and select JBL Wave Beam. Forget device first. Then you can turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on again, and then in the list of the available devices you can find your JBL Wave Beam earplugs. Tap, and now they are reconnected with your device. After successful pairing, the LED lights on the earplugs should indicate a stable connection. You can test this connection by playing audio or making calls to make sure that the problem is resolved. So that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.